Now I'm connecting the stairs together. I finished like this thing as it moves up and down. I finished like the stuff for the third floor. I finished the house. This is how the whole inside looks like. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. This is how to connect the buildings together. This is how to put the other part connect. This is how you put all the buildings